Hello, my name is Richard L. Wingate, and I have built a long career out of designing and building realistic rockwork, and I'm here to share with you some of my favorite tips and tricks. So let's go! In the beginning, when you're just getting started with artificial rockwork construction, you may rely on stamps, or skins as they are called in the field. Here are a few from my personal library. They are made from latex and a variety of silicones and urethanes. The tip is to always have a few on hand to help you get a decent surface texture. Don't forget to turn them when embossing with them to avoid repetition. If you do find yourself without stamps, for one reason or another, and the window of opportunity is closing, here is an awesome trick to help you finish the texture detail. The best texture material is often right under your feet. Broken pieces of concrete and fallouts that dry on the ground can be picked up and used as makeshift stamps. The good thing is they are cheap, disposable, and no two are alike. Use them to emboss with. There you go, another tip and trick for your consideration. Visit www.carveright.com for more informative videos and training DVDs. And don't forget to subscribe for the early releases. I'm Richard, and thanks for watching.